This is the Stanley number 62 low angle jack plane. I just got this from the local woodcraft store. It's the display model, but that's fine with me. And I'm pretty excited to have it. I haven't even touched wood with it yet. So this is the Stanley plane. Boy, this is nice. Movable throat here. In there. This is the big difference here. This blade is really thick and it is sharp right out of the box. There's some oil on there that needs to come off. This is the mechanism that moves the iron or blade up and down, and I guess it's adjustable to a degree. Got a little bit of acetone here. Number 62, Stanley Sweetheart. And what a sweetheart it is. Okay, so that's a pretty thick shaving. And that's almost full length. Okay, this is right out of the box. I haven't sharpened the blade. I just adjusted the throat and the iron in there, and boy, night and day, just beautiful. The big difference I'm seeing in these machines, number one, the tote, I guess that's this one, is much smaller, but this will not. It's like there's chatter. And I spent 2 or 3 hours flattening this sole. This is an Indian-made plane. But by the same token, it's a $60 plane. And this is $150. I know that you can get it at it's $189 on Amazon, but it's $139 on at Home Depot. I got it from Woodcraft for $150, and they had it at $189. And this was the display model, and I offered them less. Ooh, that is so smooth. This is going to be a great addition. Now, I have to sharpen it, get it put together. I am really, really stoked with this. I'm going to be using it on my shooting board. So, that's the next project, is build a shooting board. Anyway, that's from Miller's Shop here in Caldwell, Idaho. We'll see you further on down the trail.